Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to post on Facebook Marketplace. So on your Facebook, go to menu and then go to Facebook Marketplace here. And then on top, you will see sell. Just click that and then click items. And then add a photo of your product. Allow, of course, the Facebook to use your gallery, and then you just input your title. And by the way, you can add more photos. You can upload more than one. And then just put the price. The category will be automatically filled, but you can change that if necessary. And then choose the condition of your item and then put a description. Alright. So for other options, you have listing options here. You can hide it from your friends so that they don't see it from their timeline. And you can also boost it, or you can also list it in other places or groups. And then you just have to publish that. So that's how you post on Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.